Jack, I propose that I can produce more objects in 15 minutes than you can 3D print in 15 minutes.
Highly doubt that.
Let's do it.
All right.
Tell me when. Just keep my foot up.
Let me go change this. All right. Almost done.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Better 3D print your nanny, okay? Because you're gonna be crying. Go. What's it doing?
Loading up.
Oh yeah? One object down. 2 silks. 2 canes. Whoa, no silks. 2 canes. 36 cards. 37 cards. 45 cards. Fake dove. Another fake dove. Tissue. Tissue. Tissue.
He's just wasting tissues.
Real dove. Perfect. Real dove poop. Fish. 5-foot snake. That's a female. Holding ball, yeah? 2D. 3D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time and airborne. So I made 542 cards, several canes, a whole bunch of scarves, 40-foot spring snake, 2 live doves, 5 live fish, and a female woman appear. What'd you do?
Build this shark.
Built this shark. It's pretty good.